At AUIS, we believe that a great deal of student learning takes place outside of the classroom. Skills such as teamwork and leadership are greatly valued by the community and are often learned best in student clubs and student athletic teams. So we strongly support these initiatives here at AUIS and welcome the leadership of our student clubs in helping this widespread education of our students.
صوتاً لبي إما أركيولوجي كلاب لأيوآيس ناوكشمان يونويا واتا زداني ياخد زيركي كنايك يوناني كونا هدفي إما أويا كقسمتي شنوار ناسيو ميجو كلتوري كردستان بكين وعراق بقشتي.
My name is Shadi. I'm the captain of the basketball team. We're also out here running the sports department. We have a lot of teams and a lot of sports you could join. We're running basketball teams for both guys and girls, same for soccer. We have volleyball going on. We have an ultimate frisbee club that's quite new. For some reason we started kickboxing, so please join us.
Psychology Club started of a group of highly motivated students in spring 2019. Simply we are gathering every 2 weeks and talking about every issue that students might have while they are a student in AUIS. It can be stress, it can be anxiety, or ups and downs that young generation might have.
Hello everyone, my name is Tazan Fawzi. I am the Vice President of AUIS, National Model United Nations, and also known as National NMUN. This is an educational simulation and academic activity where a student will learn about international relations, diplomacy, as well as teamwork. The NMUN will teach the students speaking, writing, and critical thinking, as well as teamwork and leadership abilities.
We have the club, which is for the students. It's basically you do anything you want. The agenda is not written, it's up to the students to write it. You can be creative, you can have fun, you can do homework, you can be academic, anything you want basically. It's for you, from you.
سلام کاتتان باش من نام دافینا اندامم لیانی پرزرانی جینگا اموکو یعنی پرزرانی جینگا لسال 2016 دامزراوی یکی لگورترین و اکتیفترین کلوبکان لزانکو امریکا و ام کلوبکان زیادتر جفتکات سر او بابتانی که بیوندی به جینگا و هیا قولی دوزینوی چهار سرایبو که جینگا کان وروها زیادتر لبتشش اکتیفتی ما کردو لناو دروی زانکویا و بود لدهاتوی کنزیکا پروژه کی گورمان هیا بو زانکو بو زانکو بگیم.
Hi, I'm Shira. I'm from the movie club. So basically what we do is I watch movies once a week. It's usually on Wednesdays. You can come in and watch the movies for free, and besides that you can even eat free popcorn for free with us.
The AUIS account, Facebook, Instagram.
Hello, my name is Dr. Wolfgang King. I'm the Vice President for Academic Affairs at AUIS. As you can see, I'm at the club day of our university. Behind me, you have a lot of students showing their clubs and introducing you to what they're doing. I strongly encourage you to join one of these chapters because you will experience an exciting time with your fellow students on the campus and off the campus. So really, join us. Thank you.